Hey guys, I'm Cassandra Barney, and on this channel, typically you'll find me doing videos on my favorite subject, and that is selling on Amazon. But today, I have a fun video for you guys, especially those of you that are looking for a hobby that can generate a lot of money, and it involves YouTube. Now, don't be nervous, especially if you're the type of person who doesn't like to show your face on camera, because with this strategy, you don't have to show your face on camera, and as a matter of fact, you don't even need a camera at all. I know, that probably sounds weird and maybe too good to be true, but let me show you exactly how a ton of content creators are doing this and making a lot of money off of it. And literally, anybody could do it. So we've all seen videos just like this one. The title says, eat a lemon once a day for a month, see what happens to your body. Notice how everything that's coming up, they're not showing their face. It's just different stock images. And then we have different benefits that are going to be coming up, facts, different teaching points about what eating lemons every day will do for your health. This is super easy to create. And you'll see down here that this has 29,000 views. The channel that I found this on, they have 4.3 million subscribers. And all of their videos are just like this. Literally, just different health topics full of facts. Now, clearly, this is something that people are interested in. A lot of people come onto YouTube to learn something. So by having a channel like this, don't need a camera, don't need to show your face. All you need to do is a couple of different tips and tricks, and you'll be making these videos in a matter of literally minutes. So you can see that the content is really all over the place. We have diabetes, what doing push-ups every day will do for you, signs about your kidney, signs for cancer, different exercises. So literally, any topic that is health related or people are trying to find benefits for, you're going to have a ton of ideas. And if you're worried about the fact that you're not good at writing up scripts, you don't even have to worry about that because you literally are not even going to have to do any writing at all. So let me show you how to do this. So you're first going to come to Google and you're going to type in literally whatever you want the focus of your video to be. So let's do the benefits of a keto diet. So now I can see right here we have some benefits popping up. And what we're going to do is copy and paste these. And don't worry, before anyone gets too excited, we are not going to be plagiarizing. We are going to be using software that is going to rewrite this into different words that will be our own words. So we're going to come here to writer.me, rytr.me, and you'll see here that it is an AI writing assistant that helps you create high quality content in just a few seconds. So we're going to come down to start writing. And now over here on the side, we can select the language that we wanted. And the tone. This is really cool. You can change the tone of the delivery depending on the audience. So we could do a convincing tone, casual, critical, enthusiastic, humorous, all of these different tones that you can choose from that it's going to re-script these words that we'll put in into. So now we'll come down here and you can choose if you want this to be maybe a business idea pitch, a call to action, or something for a blog. So we're going to choose up here with the blog. Now for our keyword, we're going to put in benefits of a keto diet. And now you'll see that it's rewriting that for me. Now I have all of these different headlines and titles that I can choose from. So the complete guide to ketogenic dieting and how it can help you lose weight. What is a ketogenic diet? How does it work? So all of these different titles that I can use for the title of my video. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to start with these small ones. Copy it, paste it in there, supports weight loss, and I'll just put the keyword keto supports weight loss and see what it gives us. So now that I can see all of these different titles pop up, I'll choose the one that I like the most, get rid of the rest. And what I'm going to do is come down here to this one and I'm going to highlight it, come up here and I'm going to click paragraph so that it's going to write more about this. So now right here, just from this one input, I have all of these different facts that I can include and make different slides throughout my video. All right, so I'm going to come up here and choose my title. So I like this one here, what is a ketogenic diet and how does it work? And I also really like this one. A lot of people like videos that have tips and then a different number of tips associated with it. So I think I'm going to use this one, copy that, get rid of all of the rest. Okay, so now I know I want this to be the title of the video. I'm going to change that. I'm probably not going to want 20, but now I'm going to go back to Google, grab another keyword and put it into Writer so I can start getting some more facts. So we'll do this one next, keto, and write for me. And now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to highlight and turn these into longer paragraphs. So every time I do this, I'm just getting so many different facts that I can just load into the video. You can make a video and sound like an expert on literally any topic and not have to do any research really at all on that topic. Just go into Google, grab those different benefits, and turn them into paragraphs. So easy. So now I have disadvantages if I wanted to put those in there, and you get how Writer works. This is literally the coolest thing since sliced bread. You can do so much with this. If you're already on YouTube and already a creator, you can generate really good titles, really good descriptions for your videos full of all of these different keywords. If you're into blog writing, this is a game changer for your blogs. So let me show you where to go next to start actually creating that video and putting all of these different facts into. And that is in video. So again, you can sign up for free and you can start creating videos in 15 minutes. So you can see that it is preloaded with a ton of different templates. You're not going to have to do much because they already look really good. Some of them you can get only with the paid plan, but there are a lot that you can just get not having to sign up and pay for the service. So when you click on it, you'll get a nice little preview of what it's going to look like. And then you can choose the size. So if you wanted it to be landscape for YouTube, or if you wanted like a portrait size, if you're doing a reel. So we're going to keep it landscape and use template. So now as I start playing this through, as soon as this title pops up, I'm going to pause it. I want to put my own title in here. So I'm going to come over and say, for benefits of a keto diet. Now I'll see how it looks. Pause it again. And now I'll come back to Writer and start grabbing those different benefits to pull into the video. So maybe I'll use this one right here. The benefit of this diet is it can help people with diabetes by reducing their blood sugar levels. Copy, paste, resize. Now I can even change images. Now we'll grab another benefit and you just keep doing the same thing. So you can see how most of the work's already done for you. It's already playing a beautiful video template, and we're just going to add in the words that we pulled from Google and Writer rewrote for us. So we're literally not doing much work at all. Paste. Change the image. Maybe we'll do a brain since it has to do with brain function. And drag it over. And now it looks like this. And I could keep going. I could also add in some music. Click the plus button. And now this is what it would look like. So the actual video making process, finding the content, putting the video together, so super easy, and literally you could probably do it in like 5 to 10 minutes. You can change the images in there, you can change the music in there. It is so user friendly. Now, something else you might want to add to it to maybe take it up another notch, you can have the text be read aloud by some AI software. So you could come to speechello.com, and this is something that you do have to pay for, but it's not very expensive. Right now you could get it for $47. So that's not bad at all, especially if you plan on just making these videos, bam, 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 uploading several of them a week, because that's what you really want to be doing. You have to prove to the YouTube algorithm that you are a serious channel, and you're not going to just want to upload on an inconsistent level. You're probably going to want to upload 2, 3, 4 videos a week on a consistent basis, and that's when you really start getting those subscribers. But in the interest of being completely transparent, I will say that in order to start monetizing these videos, you have to get into the YouTube Partner Program. And in order to even be eligible for that, you're going to first have to have 1,000 subscribers onto your channel, plus 4,000 hours of watch time. After that's complete, then you can apply to the Partner Program, and YouTube will decide if they want you to be in the Partner Program or not. That is how you start monetizing on the videos. But anyways, back to this. Let me show you an example. There are tons and tons of voices in here, but here's what one of them sounds like.
Since the dawn of humanity, people would gather around a fire and listen to stories. That's why a good video is not efficient without a good voiceover that tells the action.
So it's pretty good. It's pretty realistic sounding. So what you'll want to do next at this point is you're going to want a good thumbnail. Thumbnails really resonate a lot and determine if people are going to click the video. And to make a thumbnail completely free, completely easy, you'll go to Canva. From Canva, just go and type in YouTube thumbnail. And again, you're going to see thousands of templates that are already really good. You're not going to have to change much on them at all. Some of them you will see here has a crown on it, and that means you have to be a paid version of Canva in order to get it. But there are a ton on here that don't require you to have the paid subscription. So once you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you're going to start making money off of the ads in those videos once you hit the requirements to be in the program. But another thing you can do is start with affiliate links. And to do that, you can go to clickbank.com. So it's super easy to sign up and get an account. And once you have your account, you'll log in and you just come to the affiliate marketplace. Now, what you're going to want to do is make sure that the content in your video is matching the affiliate promotion that you're trying to give away. So for example, we just did one on keto. So I'll probably want to find some good offers, maybe in the cooking area. And then right here, there's actually an affiliate link for keto resources. So that matches perfectly well. It wouldn't seem out of place. It wouldn't seem unordinary to have a keto link in a keto video. So this is one that I would want to come to and get the affiliate link to. And then all I'm going to do is post that link into the description of the video. Now, every time we get somebody to click and buy this keto resource, the conversion is $23.27. So that's the initial conversion that will go into your pocket. That is pretty good. If you found some other ones that made sense to that video, you'd plug them in there. So you're going to want to do this for all of your videos. Find some really good affiliate links that you can throw into there and start making money off of promoting somebody else's product. And that's really all that there is to it. This is one of the easiest ways that you can turn a little passion project, a hobby that you do on the side. It's not going to take you much time at all. Super easy, and there is a lot of potential here to make money off of this YouTube channel without needing to record anything or show your face at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and of course, if you did, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button and make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you never miss my videos. I'll catch you in the next one.